Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store application on your mobile phone and click your profile icon on the upper right side. So click your profile icon and then you'll be able to see options or settings right here and help and feedback as well. So click help and feedback, and then next click contact us, and then you will be typing or put your reason for your um, for the help that you needed on the Play Store. So I will be putting Google Play balance transfer, and then after that one click next, then click transfer account and content, and you'll be routed to which specific area do you need support for, like and you'll be just click this one below, and you'll be routed to three options: books, Google Play apps, movies, and TV. So just select Google Play apps and then press next. And right on this page right now, the article says that they're saying sorry, that's not possible. Your Google Play balance can't be refunded or transferred to another account. So right here on my account, we cannot do balance transfer. So if you want to continue, just click next and you'll be routed or you'll be connected to an representative or a customer service to help you transfer the balance to another account. And that's it. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe for more videos and updates.